Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making homemade cough syrup. This homemade cough syrup is a whole food remedy made from only two ingredients, daikon and honey. Are you experiencing a dry cough? If yes, give this one a try. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 150 grams of daikon, 3 tablespoons of honey. Step 1. Peel the daikon, dice it into small pieces, and put them in a jar. Step 2. Pour honey over the daikon. Cover the jar and allow it to infuse for at least 1 hour or overnight. Enjoy the syrup by scooping a few teaspoons or mix it with hot water or herbal tea for a comforting warmth. You can also add a splash of fresh lemon juice or a hint of ground ginger. I hope this homemade cough syrup helps to bring you some relief this season.
Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.